What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Prius Prime remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2017 to 2022 Toyota Prius Prime, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button or this release on the bottom of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look in this space right here that this key just kind of slid out of, you can see right here there's this little notch that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key, push it in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then as I'm keeping some pressure pushing in, I'm going to twist the key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull the back cover off. And sometimes a circuit board may stick in the back cover. If it does, just go ahead and kind of gently dump it out or pry it out. But anyway, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver. And you can see it'll fit down in this space just kind of perfectly. And you can get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. Positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then if your circuit board is moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that front like it needs to be. And then we can snap the back cover off, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.